Our journey started 3 years ago. Inspired by NASA, we set out to find a technology to grow plants without watering and fertilizing. After lots of research, we created our first smart garden. And the idea caught on quickly. Today, Click and Grow smart gardens can be found in more than 50,000 homes around the world.
I got into high-tech gardening after I read that NASA can grow plants in space. And that while there is all this great technology, people throw away billions of dollars worth of houseplants every year.
Our first product was successful, but we wanted to make it even better. So we went back to the drawing board. We designed a smart herb garden that has a built-in light and can grow 3 plants at a time. It is extremely easy to use, but the technology behind it is far from simple. The backbone of Click and Grow is what the plants grow in. This material here may look like normal soil, but this is nanomaterial. We've engineered it to provide the ideal amount of oxygen and nutrients for plant roots at all times. In a normal flower pot, soil gets compacted, which reduces the oxygen available for plant roots. Furthermore, when you water the plant, nutrients are flushed out and lost. In our growth medium, nutrients and oxygen are available in nanotechnological capsules throughout the soft bed. Water fills the material evenly, and the plant always has access to the right amount of oxygen and nutrients. We also put a lot of effort into the lighting solution. We worked with the world's leading LED companies to invent a light that is perfect for plants and looks natural. With the new Click and Grow Smart Herb Garden, you can grow 3 herbs with the tiniest amount of effort. The starter kit comes with basil, thyme, and lemon balm to add flavor and variety to your cooking. Plant refills will also be available, so you can grow various other herbs, mini tomatoes, chili peppers, or even strawberries in your kitchen or living room.
The good news is that we've got the technology and the prototype that works. The challenge is that this cost tens of thousands of dollars to get this technology production ready and to make these smart pots affordable. That's why we need the help of home gardeners, geeks, and Kickstarter fans.
Help us build this smart garden so you can enjoy fresh herbs at home all year round.